And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. It has been a warm and breezy Sunday afternoon. And speaking of the winds, look at the winds right now, mostly from the southeast, even south, anywhere from 17 to 14 miles an hour. We have a wind gust of 25 in McAllen and 26 in Weslaco. Our high temperatures today reached the low to mid 80s, 84 so far here at the station. It's been pretty quiet on the radar, quieter than yesterday. We saw some scattered showers yesterday throughout the day, only a few isolated showers earlier today in the lower valley and the coast. It should stay dry for tonight. We have some drier, more stable air in place, and that's why not as much rain for today. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s in Weslaco, Harlingen, and Brownsville, lower 80s in McAllen, humidity 60%, and the winds are from the south-southeast at 17 miles an hour. So we're calling for partly cloudy skies tonight with temperatures in the mid-70s at 7 p.m. It's going to be a little bit breezy, not terribly breezy, but still a bit breezy for this evening with low temperatures in the lower 70s at 9 p.m. and 11 o'clock this evening. Lows tonight are back in the 60s. Temperatures right now looking nice and cool to the north. 59 degrees in Oklahoma City, 62 in Amarillo, 66 in Abilene, 76 in San Antonio, 67 Dallas-Fort Worth. Out west, 66 in Odessa and El Paso, and 71 degrees in Houston, 82 right now in Laredo. We've got service winds coming from the south and southeast here in the valley. We're on the backside of high pressure. One front is draped over the Texas Panhandle and the El Paso area. That will arrive here by tomorrow night, but not before we have a hot Monday on tap. And the reason for that is we've got southwesterly winds in the forecast for Monday, so it's time to break out the old graphic called compressional heating. When we get winds from the southwest, those winds come off the mountains of Mexico, and that compresses and warms the air, and that's why it turns out to be a hot one. That's why we expect it to be a hot one tomorrow afternoon with highs reaching 90 in the upper valley. This is short-lived, though. By Tuesday, behind that first front, it's a little bit cooler, if you want to call it cooler, with highs back in the mid-80s. And hang on, another front comes in by Wednesday evening. So here's front number one ahead of it. It's breezy and hot for Monday afternoon. Not as hot for Tuesday, highs in the mid-80s. There's front number two coming in by Wednesday evening. That second front may give us a slight chance of some showers. The front tomorrow night is a dry one, but the one on Wednesday may give us about a 20% chance of some showers. But it is going to be cooler for Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 70s. And then a third front comes in by next weekend, between Saturday and Sunday, so we may be looking at high temperatures in the 60s by next Sunday. And as the winds start to come from the southwest at the upper levels by the second of the week, that means we put more clouds in the forecast starting Friday into Saturday and Sunday, and we bring back the chance of some showers, a better chance of some showers perhaps for Friday into next weekend. So hang on, some cooler weather eventually is on the way later on this week. On the water, small craft advisory is in effect until tomorrow afternoon. We have winds out of the south at 20 to 25 knots. Bay waters are choppy. Your next tide is a low tide at 7:09 tomorrow morning, and the seas are 5 to 9 feet. Rip current risk is elevated. So for tonight, partly cloudy, a little bit breezy, with winds out of the southeast to south at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Low temperature of 67. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies return. Look at that, 90 degrees, still breezy, with winds out of the south early on at 15 to 25 miles per hour, shifting to the north late in the afternoon behind that first front. So here's that 7-day forecast. We do start off hot this week with a high of 90. Not as hot on Tuesday, partly cloudy with high in the mid-80s. There's a 20% chance of some showers on Wednesday. Also breezy again on Wednesday, but the highs are only in the lower 70s on Wednesday behind that second front. We're back to the mid-70s Thursday and Friday. Morning lows are around 50 on Thursday, maybe even upper 40s. And then we put in the 30% chance of showers on Friday, maybe a 40% chance of some showers next Saturday and Sunday. But look at that, 76 on Saturday, behind that third front, perhaps in the upper 60s by next Sunday.